Everybody, I am going to show you how to find and navigate our new Facebook page and groups as well as my YouTube channel. So when you are on the home page of Facebook, you are going to search in the search bar Jane Natalie Coaching, Natoli, and you are going to scroll down past the photos to find the page. Anything that says Jane Natalie Coaching, you can click on and it will bring you to my page. That looks like this. The first thing you want to do is like the page. Once you like the page, it does turn on follow notifications, but you want to go to those three dots. You want to go to your follow settings, and you can choose how you want to receive notifications. Do you want to see what I post at the top of your news feed? And do you want to see everything I post, not just the highlights? Up to you. Click update. Once you do that, take a minute to learn the parts of this page. So the posts that I send out to you will be all scrolling down like this. Anything that is most recent or important that I want you to see will be pinned to the top. Then you want to get used to the tabs up here. And if you don't see what you're looking for, click on more. There are more options. But these are the most important right now: groups, notes, and events. Inside notes is where I am going to hold all of the resources for my upcoming webinars. So this is where you can get to the links from my last webinar, including the survey for feedback. I'm also going to be sharing some how-to documents to help you learn how to navigate and use the groups most effectively. The second thing you want to look at is the events page. You want to show that you are interested and then click on the link and select going so that everybody knows how many people are interested in actually planning on attending this event. You're going to click back to get back to the main page, and then the collaboration space are within groups. So I have started two groups for us. We have our interactive learning materials. This is where we are going to support each other with tech help. And then I also started a second one. A lot of you have said you're interested in having the conversation about the research and trends and conversation about reimagining and reinventing education now and post-pandemic. So I am going to be posting information about that topic. You're going to click join group. Now, if you are already part of the first group, this is going to automatically let you in. You just need to refresh your page. And then here is the discussion board. So I will be posting ideas. You can post questions after our upcoming webinar. It's really your conversation space. But what I will be using in both groups are this option units. Units is a way for us to focus our conversation as well as practice the technology skills, and these work like mini modules. It has tasks for you to complete, things for you to do, and this will help guide us in our conversation. I hope that you take advantage of this. I didn't even know this was an option in Facebook until I started researching 2 days ago. So we'll talk more about that on Sunday. The last thing you want to do is go to YouTube, search just my name, Jane Natalie, and I should pop right up. I'm the one with the Bitmoji, and you are going to click the subscribe button. This is my channel, so it doesn't have it, but you would see a red subscribe button right here. From there, you can take a look at my playlists. I've been organizing my videos. Are you interested in the webinars, some virtual teaching help, making our Bitmoji scenes, and then Google Slides? I will continue to post and organize my how-to videos here. I hope that was helpful. Find the groups, post your questions, start talking to each other, and I will be there right along learning with you. See you soon.